Hi friends, welcome once again to the channel Trading Strategies. Today 22nd April 2020, time is 4:30. We'll see tomorrow how the market we have to trade, and we'll see the trade plan for tomorrow, that is 23rd April 2020. Before going to the chart, just go through the disclaimer. This is a Nifty spot day chart, daily candle. This is today's this is today's candle. So you see, yesterday we discussed about this gap. Today almost filled the gap, right? This is the gap area. This is yesterday's gap. So that gap filled today. So now after filling the gap, how the price behaves, that is the most important. If tomorrow it opens above today's high, that is 9,210, and sustain 15 minutes to half an hour on the above, then there is a probability of going higher side and testing this line. So this high is 9,390. And one more important thing is, tomorrow is weekly expiry, so we should be very careful about trading tomorrow, because weekly expiry, their expiry adjustments may take place, the option adjustments, so one should be careful. So the momentum may be upside only tomorrow also because of today's candle. Today is a decent bullish candle, and normally this is not a bearish candle. Even though it is a red candle, it is not a bearish candle. So why? I'll show you some basic candles also there in between bull and bear. So the basic candles I'll show you in the chart. So these are the basic candles. So how these basic candles will form and what is the formula, how we identify the basic candles, that is a separate subject. I may post some other video about the basic candle. So normally what happens, this is the basic candle. If the price trades above this basic candle, there is a probability of going upside. It is only a probability. We cannot say 100% it will go. If you are an intraday trader and trading the breakouts, so you have to see this basic candle. Once the basic candle forms and the next day the price moves above this basic candle, and you can buy and keep a stop loss below the candle and aim for a higher targets. So that is a beauty of this basic candle. Wherever the basic candle forms, see here the basic candle form, and after this basic candle low, if the price trades below this basic candle, you can straight away go for short and take some profit. Here also the basic candle. This basic candle high is this. Once closes on intraday basis, you can go for a long trade. So like that you can plan depending on the basic candle and how you trade. See for tomorrow how we'll plan. I'm changing it to 15 minutes. Right? So this is today's trading range. Right? So what happened, if you see even intraday on a 15 minutes pattern, today this is the first 15 minutes candle is a basic candle, and the second 15 minutes candle also basic candle. So if you see this T, and this is the high, first 15 minutes high, and a basic candle, and closed this candle above this. This is the straight away a buying opportunity and given a decent profit. So for tomorrow, there are two probabilities. One is buying above this high, right? If the price sustained above this high, you can buy and keep a stop loss here somewhere below this candle and keep a target of this one, right? So this is a one trade plan for tomorrow. The another is if price opens somewhere in between, right? So there is a probability of testing this low, this area, right? So if it is comes to this area, that is also a buying opportunity, and keeping a stop loss of 50 to 60 points and aim for 100-120 points a profit. So there are two trade setups. One is breakout on the upside, and if opens in between, this is one area where you can go for a long trade. The another area is also here. So whichever the area where you can take your trade depending on the opening of the market tomorrow. So wait for 15-20 minutes to settle the market to form at least one 15 minutes candle, and then you can take the position. This is Nifty spot. According to that only you can trade. So now we'll see the Bank Nifty also, right? This is the Bank Nifty spot chart. This is today's candle. Today high 19,806 and low 19,051, right? So there is a gap area in the Bank Nifty is unfilled just above today's high. So there is a probability of filling this gap tomorrow. There is a high probability of filling this gap tomorrow. The only thing is you have to take a trade only if the price trades above today high. Today high is 19,806, right? So once it trades above 19,800 for 15 minutes to half an hour time, and then you can go and enter a long trade keeping 100 or 150 points as stop loss and aim for a target of 20,400 or 20,300 kind of levels. So that is the trade setup for tomorrow. If the price opens in between this today high and low, so how we'll trade? We'll go to 15 minutes chart and we'll see where is the good demand. So this area is a decent demand area. So if opens above 19,360, if it opens above this and if tests here, then you can go for a long entry. There are one demand zone, that is 19,245 and 19,350. Another demand is here. This is 19,051 and 19,130. These two zones will act as a decent demand, and this entire gap area will act as a resistance. If the price comes to this area and moves from here, this will act as a resistance. So you have to plan according to that. If the price trades above the today high, that is 19,800, then there is a high probability of closing this gap. This entire area is a gap, 19,812 and 20,400. So entire gap, this gap may be filled tomorrow if price comes into the gap area. So according to that, you can plan and you can trade Bank Nifty. Now we'll see the stock G Entertainment. Today is a decent move. It's low from 130 and it went all the way 155. So 25 rupees intraday jump. So we'll see how we can trade this stock for tomorrow. See, for the overall trend is weak, but it is consolidating, and if you see the retracement, it started falling from this area and moved up to here, and this is the retracement. So this is a retracement. So from here, today it closed about 23.6% retracement. So tomorrow, if sustained to trade today's high, that is 155 and above, there is a probability of testing this line, that is 38.2%, 168 rupees. And if opens in between 130 and 155, there is a intraday trade or a positional trade for the G Limited. So for that, if you see these two candles, it is a bullish engulfing pattern. So normally how we'll trade bullish engulfing pattern? So this is my entry where I'll be entering the here. So 138.65 paisa, and keeping a stop loss of this low, right? This may be a positional entry also. If it is comes to intraday, you can trade intraday. Otherwise, you can make it as a positional trade. Keep a target of here. Right? So if you see the risk to reward 1:2.89, almost 1:3. So this is a G Entertainment where you can go for a long with a stop loss below 2 days low. This I'm expecting if this sustains this zone. So 148 and 168 zone, if trades couple of days and convincingly closes above this 168, there is a high probability of testing this area 184 and 200 zone. This area it may test in a couple of days. Only thing is you should be very careful, keep a strict stop loss. So this way you can trade G Entertainment also. Tomorrow weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty options, so should be careful. We can expect some volatility. Maybe last 1 hour, may not be in the morning, but maybe last 1 hour we can expect high volatility. So take according to that and keep strict stop losses and trade. Friends, if you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.